The AI-generated cat cooking video trend is taking social media by storm. One TikTok creator has already amassed over 225,000 followers, with clips racking up millions of views. And the best part? This niche is still wide open and full of potential, making it the perfect time to jump in and create your own viral content. Even better, you can make these videos in just minutes using free AI tools like Hailuoai AI and Hailuoai AI. And they're not just for TikTok. These videos also perform amazingly well on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, giving you even more chances to rack up views and earn through ad revenue, brand deals, and TikTok creator rewards. Step 1. Generate the perfect image prompts. Let's be honest, coming up with great prompts can feel like a full-time job. That's why I've got your back with a ready-made prompt to get you started fast. You'll find the link in the video description, and the best part? You can tweak it to come up with fresh, unique ideas of your own. But before we dive in, take a second to like this video and hit that subscribe button. It's like the secret ingredient to our recipe for success. Your support helps others discover this tutorial and keeps us motivated to bring you even more valuable content. Step 2. Create AI-generated images with Hailuoai AI. Once you have your prompts, it's time to bring them to life. Go to the Hailuoai AI website, link in the description, and click Launch App. If you're new, sign up quickly or log in with Google, Apple. Click Create, select Model, and choose Flux Schnell for the best results. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16. Perfect for vertical videos on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Set the number of images per session and generate your first image by pasting your prompt from ChatGPT. Want consistency across all images? No problem. Simply click on an image and copy the seed number. Go to Advanced Settings, select Fixed, and paste the seed number. Repeat the process with each new prompt to maintain the same character design. Once you're happy with your images, download them. Your video is starting to take shape. Step 3. Animate your images with Hailuoai AI. Now, let's transform your static images into engaging animated videos. Go to the Hailuoai AI website and sign in, link in the description. Click Try Now, set the model to i2 v01 Live, and upload your images. Copy your image prompt from Hailuoai AI and paste it into Hailuoai AI. Hit Create. Hailuoai AI will generate a smooth animation from your image. Tip: if you're not satisfied with the results, simply tweak the prompt and regenerate. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Step 4. Enhance your video with CapCut next. Let's enhance the quality of your video. Go to CapCut, link in the description, and select Magic Tools, Video Upscaler. Upload your video and click Upscale to boost its clarity. Once finished, click Export to download your high-quality clip. Step 5. Add music and sound effects. Great visuals need great audio. For background music, use Suno AI. Visit Suno, link in the description, and sign in. Click Create and paste a music prompt from ChatGPT. Enable instrumental mode and hit Generate. Download your favorite track. For sound effects, head over to Pixverse, link in the description. Browse through available sounds and download the ones that fit best. Step 6. Edit and finalize in CapCut now. Let's put everything together. Open CapCut and click Create Project. Import your video clips, sound effects, and background music. Trim each clip to about 3 seconds to keep things engaging. Add smooth transitions, like a 0.1 second black fade for a polished look. Align your sound effects with the right moments for maximum impact. Apply the clear filter across the entire video for a cohesive style. Once everything is perfect, click Export to save your final masterpiece. And there you have it. Your very own viral AI-generated cat cooking video. With these tools and techniques, you're fully equipped to create high-quality, engaging content that has the potential to go viral. Whether this is your next big hit or just the beginning of an exciting creative journey, the possibilities are endless. Did you enjoy this tutorial? Like, share, and subscribe for more content to fuel your creativity. Thanks for watching. Start creating today, and I can't wait to see your incredible videos.